Hi and welcome. So this is a video for your homework. So for your homework today, you're gonna need your homework packet and your math workbook. Okay. There's a doggy in it, and there should be a sticker with your name on it here. So I might refer to your doggy workbook because I'm so used to calling it that. So you'll need both. But for now, we're going to set this aside and focus on the homework packet first. Okay. So Wednesday. Okay. And if you're wondering, well, teacher, how do I know what pages? Because you're not going to do the whole book. So you can see here, it tells you what pages. And also you can look in this pink paper. That's why we send it. So today's Wednesday. And you go down to here. Homework and remembering workbook. That's the math one. Pages 1 through 4. Okay. So let's get started first with the letter N. So the letter N, you know how to do this. You can color, trace, find it, write it, color, and then sort the capital or the uppercase and the lowercase n's. The part I will do with you is how to write it. So N, you write with a vertical and then a diagonal down and a vertical up. Okay, let's do that again. Vertical down, diagonal, vertical up. Okay, vertical down, diagonal, vertical. Okay, and then lowercase n is a small vertical line, and then we come up and down like a rainbow. Small rainbow, small vertical, and a rainbow. Okay, good job. You can do the rest on your own. You know how to do the highlight a letter. I'm just going to show you again how to write the N. You can trace. And then I like to do vertical down, diagonal down, and vertical up. Okay, vertical down, diagonal down, and vertical up. The lowercase n is a vertical, a short vertical, and a rainbow. Vertical up and down. Vertical up and down rainbow. Like this. See it? Vertical, rainbow up and down. Okay, and then you can go ahead and highlight the ends. And that takes us to our sight word in our homework packet. And this one's pretty easy. All you do is color in the C-A-N, and then you circle all of the cans around it. Okay? So C-A-N, circle, T-A-N, don't get tricked, cross it out. Okay, C-A-N, circle, M-A-N, that's a can, cross it out, and keep going. Okay, and now we'll go to our workbook. Okay, so a couple things about our workbook. You're not going to do the whole thing. I already showed you. You can look for the pages you have to do on here. Okay, 1 through 4, or at the beginning of each day in your homework packet. The one that says Wednesday, right here. Okay. So maybe what I like to do is I'll go open my workbook and circle the ones I have to do. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So these pages are very thin, so I would suggest you only use pencil and crayon if you really want to use to color it. Okay. So here you're going to draw what it says. So ask a grown-up for help. But 5 trees, 3 bees, 4 rocks, and 2 socks. So for example, if I drew 4 rocks. Okay. Like this. Okay. And so you are going to draw some trees, bees, and socks. And like I said, you are free to color these. Just make sure that you do crayon and not marker, because if you do marker, it will show on the back. Okay, so like I'm doing right now with crayon. Okay, so about this silly little book. They have instructions for the next page on the bottom. So have your grown-up help you. On the back, draw 3 people, then practice writing numbers 1 and 2. I'm gonna flip it over. And you can draw 3 people. You can draw 2, you and 2 of your friends, you, mom and dad, whoever you want to draw. Okay, I'm just gonna draw people that I make up right now. So it's a girl. Draw someone with curly hair. And someone with no hair. Okay, so feel free to color it, make it beautiful. Then you're going to trace the number 1 and then do it yourself. Remember, number 1 is just a line down. Number 2 is half a heart with a shoe. Okay, half a heart with a shoe. Half a heart with a shoe. Then we have page 3. And on this one, you're going to look at the number and circle the groups that are that number and cross out, put an X on the groups that are not that number. So we'll do this first one together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, circle it. 1, 2, 3. Going to circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3. I'm going to cross it out. 1, 2, 3. Circle. Okay, and you can do the rest. Remember, the directions on the back are here. It says draw a group of 5 squares, then practice writing number 3. Okay, so flip it over. 5 squares. Remember, a square has equal sides. So try to make them as equal as you can. So there's my 5 squares. And then you practice writing the number 3. Okay, 2 half a circles. Okay, and then that's the end of my pages I have to do for today. So you might be wondering, well, how am I going to show you this, teacher? What you do is there's a line, I don't know if you can see it right here. Okay, that makes it easy for you to rip the pages. And that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to find that line and press on it and cut them out. Try your best, be gentle, have a grown-up help you. Okay, and then when you're done with your homework, I want you to go ahead and put it inside your folder so that way you don't lose it. Okay, and it's ready for me to check and for you to turn in. Okay, so that's where you'll find your math homework from now on in this workbook. And that was all for today, Wednesday, September 23rd. So I'll see you in the next video, which will be part of the read aloud for Chrysanthemum. Okay, bye.